So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As you can see, we have plenty of boot space in this car, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase the space even further. And then underneath this tray section, a space saver spare wheel. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. Just below the speedometer you can see the total miles of this car, which is 6,602. In the center we have a digital readout for the speedometer. Now we can change the information in 3 different areas here. So over on the left you can have whatever you want displayed there. So for example, you could just have nothing displayed there should you wish to, and it will just be the rev counter. You can then in the center change that information, so you could have the time and date, for example. And then over on the right hand side you could change it so you have your acceleration, let's say. What happens then is the digital readout for the speedometer appears directly below that, down in that bottom right hand corner, and it's a totally different look screen now. To do that, you use the buttons over on the right hand side just here. We then have stereo controls, which continue on the left hand side. We have cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car, and this is where you'll find satellite navigation, amongst other things. There's a full video showing how that works on our website and on our YouTube channel. When it comes to music, we have DAB, FM, and internet radio. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth, should you wish to. And then back to the home screen where you can pair your phone. Below that, we have the volume for the stereo, so up and down. You can increase and decrease the driver temperature, same on the passenger side, or press this button and the system will open up as a whole, and you can use all of the buttons on this screen to be able to change, so you can change the direction of the air, you can turn your air conditioning on and off, you can put it into auto and the car will do all the work for you, or you can override that and adjust the fans yourself. Everything can be done there. Similarly, you can have your vehicle assist system shown on the screen and your parking camera. Putting the car in reverse will automatically open the camera, or just press that button as I just did. Below that, we have 2 USB-C inputs, so you can plug devices into those. They will charge, for example. You can also, if your phone has wireless charging, pop it on this pad and it will charge wirelessly as well. We have the start and stop button, so you can start and stop the engine from here. This button is park for the gear lever. Then you have reverse, neutral and drive on this lever just here, with an electronic handbrake and auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.